Today we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the Gozney Tread and the Gozney Arc XL pizza ovens. The Gozney Tread offers impressive portability with its innovative tetrapod stand and a convenient roof rack for tools, while the Arc XL stands out with its larger cooking capacity and excellent temperature stability. The Tread heats up faster and has a sleek, compact design, while the Arc XL boasts a wider mouth and rolling flame for superior pizza consistency. But the big question is, which one is best for your needs and style? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two pizza ovens and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. When it comes to design and build quality, the Gozney Tread impresses with its neat, compact look and thoughtful details like a tetrapod stand that provides stable placement on uneven surfaces. Its matte finishes and solid construction feel premium, and the roof rack offers a practical heat-proof space for hot tools or even finished pizzas. On the other hand, the Gozney Arc XL adopts a sleek, modern design with a wide mouth that makes sliding pizzas in and out easier. The Arc XL also integrates a lateral burner, which helps maintain a uniform temperature while maximizing internal space. While the Tread's compact form makes it perfect for small yards, the Arc XL is designed to be a centerpiece with its larger frame and sophisticated aesthetic. Ultimately, if you're looking for something stylish yet compact, the Tread is the better pick. But if you want a pizza oven that looks professional and handles larger pizzas easily, the Arc XL stands out. In terms of performance and heating speed, the Gozney Tread has a clear advantage when it comes to reaching optimal cooking temperatures quickly. The Tread heats up in just 15 minutes, outperforming the Arc XL's 35 minutes warm-up time. But the Arc XL makes up for this with superior heat stability and precise temperature control, thanks to its lateral burner that efficiently disperses flames across the ceiling for consistent top-down heating. This gives the Arc XL better control over topping and crust consistency, ensuring pizzas cook evenly. While the Tread is fast, but it requires constant turning of pizzas to avoid burnt spots due to its closer burner position. If speed is your priority, then the Gozney Tread wins. But if you want consistent results and enhanced temperature management, the Arc XL is the stronger performer. The cooking experience reveals some important differences. The Gozney Tread delivers fantastic results, with cheese pizzas crisped to near perfection and pepperoni pizzas showcasing a nice balance of char and texture. But the Tread struggles slightly with greasy toppings or moisture-heavy ingredients, sometimes leading to patchy dough consistency. The Arc XL's lateral burner helps avoid this issue by providing even heat from above, ensuring both the base and toppings cook at the same pace. The Arc XL also excels at handling larger pizzas up to 16 inches, while the Tread maxes out at 12 inches. If you're entertaining guests or cooking for a family, the Arc XL's larger capacity and more even heat distribution make it the winner here. But for simple pizzas cooked quickly, the Tread still performs admirably. When it comes to versatility and additional dishes, both ovens offer more than just pizza-making capabilities. The Gozney Tread handled Mediterranean flatbreads with ease, ensuring the dough remained moist while crisping the toppings. But during tests with chicken thighs, the Tread struggled slightly due to splattering oil and its unstable wobble on the stand. On the other hand, the Arc XL excelled at cooking large batches of food thanks to its spacious interior. While both ovens produced delicious calzones, the Arc XL's consistent heat meant fewer undercooked spots compared to the Tread, which needed frequent turning. When testing desserts like brownies, the Tread overcooked the surface despite having a perfectly cooked center. In comparison, the Arc XL's stable temperature control ensured evenly baked results. For versatility, the Arc XL's ability to cook multiple types of dishes consistently makes it the superior choice. When it comes to portability and setup, the Gozney Tread's tetrapod stand is a game-changer. Its tripod-like structure ensures you can set it up virtually anywhere, making it perfect for homes with limited paved space. The Tread's manageable size and collapsible stand make it more convenient to store, but carrying it long distances isn't ideal because it's still 30 pounds heavy. On the other hand, the Arc XL is heavier at 58.5 pounds, and it is best suited for stationary setups or those with its wheeled stand accessory, which offers added prep space and the ability to easily reposition it. The Arc XL also takes longer to heat up, requiring around 35 minutes versus the Tread's quick 15-minute preheat time. If portability and fast setup are crucial for you, the Tread has the edge. But if you prefer a pizza oven that stays put and offers additional workspace, the Arc XL's stand is a valuable addition. As for my final verdict, the Gozney Tread is an excellent choice for small families or couples looking for a compact, fast-heating oven that fits neatly in smaller outdoor spaces. Its innovative tetrapod stand and tool-friendly roof rack make it incredibly user-friendly. On the other hand, the Gozney Arc XL is perfect for frequent pizza makers, large families, or those who love to entertain. Its wider mouth, larger pizza capacity, and superior heat control make it ideal for cooking consistently excellent pizzas and other dishes. Ultimately, if portability and quick setup are your priority, go for the Tread. But if you're serious about top-tier pizza quality and feeding a crowd, the Arc XL is the clear winner.